In this quick video, I will show you how to use stop limit on Binance step by step. So the first step is to go to Binance.com and then log in. Once you have logged in, make sure that you have your funds in Futures Wallet. And once you have your funds in Futures Wallet, go to derivatives here and choose what options you're going to use. So if you want to trade in USDM futures, click here, and if you want to trade on CoinM futures, click here. For example, we're going to use USDM futures. And then on the left side here, you can choose your pair. So if you want to trade in BTC USDT, click here. And then on the right side here, you can choose your margin mode. If you want the isolated, click here. If you want to use the cross margin mode, click here. And then you can adjust your leverage. For example, we're going to use times 10. Click confirm and then choose stop limit here. So once you have clicked stop limit, choose the type of order you want to place, either a buy or a sell order. And below the stop limit, we have here the stop price. This is the price at which you want your order to become active. And below the stop price, we have here the limit price, where this is the price at which you want your order to be filled once it has been triggered. And below the price here, you can see here the size. You can type the amount of USDT you want to trade, and you can set your take profit and stop loss. And if you have any questions about how to use stop limit on Binance, leave a comment below.